Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tanisha, and mainly on my channel I do anything beauty related, whether it's hair, makeup, or fashion. I'm definitely your girl for that. And as you can tell, already got my wig cap on. Anytime you see me with a wig cap on in the intro, you already know what it is. We about to install a wig, and I haven't even opened it yet. I just got it in the mail. Amazon just delivered it, and we're going to open this thing on camera. We're going to see exactly, we're going to see what it's hitting for. So, it is a box spray wig. Got it from Amazon. It was $156. I hope it's giving what it's supposed to give, because the reviews were amazing and so many people kept saying that it was always sold out, and when I found it, it was not sold out. So I was like, because I want box braids, but for one, I don't know if y'all know, but I do hair and I'm not trying to do my own box braids. I don't have time to go anywhere to make an appointment to sit somewhere from 4 to 6 hours. So I was like, baby, let me get a wig. And so that's exactly what I did. So I'm about to pop this bad boy open, and comes in your standard Amazon bag, and then it comes in just a black plastic bag, and it doesn't have like a brand or anything. It just says Japan made synthetic fiber, lightweight, fashion, easy wear, comfortable. And then once you open it up, ooh, I am so nervous, y'all, because she was $156. So if like she's not cute, then like I'm gonna be really, really mad. But this is the wig. I'm gonna hold on to it for a second. I'm gonna show you what's all in the pack. In the pack, it comes with a wig cap, a pair of lashes, and some hair jewelry. So I feel like that's good. I wish I would have waited to do this, but oh well. And this is the wig. Ooh, oh my god, y'all. She looks so good. I haven't even took her out the net, and baby, I think she's giving what she's supposed to be giving. I wish that it wouldn't have been packaged that way, because now she's kind of wavy. I ain't really into the wavy braids, but that's what it looks like. This is what the ends look like. So they are braided all the way down, and then the very, very tips, they are twisted. And then we're about to get into this frontal. It's supposed to be a 13x7 frontal. It's supposed to be knotless, and it's supposed to be given. So we're gonna see what it's doing. So far, like, she looks good. She looks good. This is what the construction looks like. Look at that. Look, I was worried about her not blending, but baby, look at that. It looks really good. I'm gonna show you the inside of the cap. So it says a 13x7. I don't know if it's actually 7. It might be about 5, maybe 6, but that's okay because she got some parting space. It has baby hair already. Like, ooh, they look so good. It has no comb, so that's a plus, because I always try to cut the combs out, or they always irritate me. So no combs in the front. That's good. They do have 2 combs in the middle, and then they have a comb in the back. Also an adjustable band. That is amazing, because I could possibly not glue this on. I'm gonna just pop this bad boy on my head. I am going to like actually install her, but I want y'all to see what she looked like fresh out the pack. Like fresh out the pack. So I'm just gonna pop her on. Y'all, when I tell y'all I am nervous, but baby, oh my goodness, you are not gonna be able to tell me a thing. Like, look at this. I like the fact that it already has baby hair, so I don't even have to worry about doing anything. Look at that, y'all. She looks good. Like, I was worried that I was going to have to tint her or something, and because she's synthetic, I was like, oh, she's synthetic. I'm not even going to be able to bleach the knots. But straight off the pat, this is what she looked like. Like, this is what she looked like. Y'all. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. Like, look at this. She looks amazing. And I would say that you definitely probably going to have to do a ball cap method if you wear her. If you do have a lot of hair, you're going to have to make sure, you know, she's braided back. She's really, really flat. But she is... We're going to have a date tonight. Me and my husband, we're going to go somewhere because I'm already feeling myself. Look at that. And like I said, the lace, it hasn't even been cut off yet. I don't know who making these wigs. They said Japan, but baby, you did a good job. You definitely did a good job. She is definitely black girl friendly. I'm just going to go ahead and install her because, baby, she look good. She looks, look at that. Baby, she looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and install her and then I'll be back. So the only thing that I've done so far is plot a little bit of lace glue around my hairline. I did cut a couple of slits in the lace so that when I put it on it's not too tight. And now I'm just going to go ahead and plop this bad boy on. I'm going to leave the lace on and I'm going to cut her off when I get her on my head. So, oh God. I always get nervous. Alright, so I have the wig on. Then I have just the baby hairs pulled back because I didn't want them to actually get glued down. So what I'm doing now is just adjusting this to how I need it to fit, especially like where my ears are. And I'm just going to pull it up and I'm going to place it, ooh, right there. And I'm going to pull this up and place it. Boom. She looks so good, y'all. Look at this hairline. Look at this hairline. And actually, I probably need to move it over a little bit because I want this to be in the middle so I can do a middle part. So, placing it. Boom. She looks so good. And now that I got her placed, I'm going to continue to do the rest of the sides. Just like that. I was worried about her being too small or too big, but she is perfect. Perfect. Ooh, baby, she's looking so good. Like, I don't think I will ever get box braids again. I think that this is gonna be like my go-to because, baby, this is amazing. Now that I got the wig on, I am going to just put this cap, not cap, I'm going to put a bandana around it and I'm going to let it sit and melt. And then I'll come back and style her. So I'm just going to tie her, nothing fancy, just going to put her right around my hairline so that she can melt. I look crazy, I know, but trust the process. Like, trust the process is. And like I said, I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes and then I'll come back and show you guys what's next. So it's roughly been about maybe 10 minutes or so. And I just took the scarf off and this is what she looks like. I haven't cut the lace. I wanted you guys to see what it looks like to cut the lace off. So like I said, I have the slits. I feel like the slits make it easier to cut it into sections. So this is what I have so far. And I'm just going to take the eyebrows razor. Hopefully y'all can see that. And I'm just going to cut the lace. Be careful not to cut the baby hair because I feel like the baby hair is going to be a whole vibe. But to be honest, the way they did this hairline and the way they did this wig, you could possibly get away with not even have any baby hairs. So I'm just cutting little by little to make sure that I don't mess this wig up. Because like I said, she was pretty pricey and I ain't trying to mess her up. I feel like I'm gonna end up getting another one of these wigs because she is really, really cute. And I said be careful not to cut the baby hair. And look at me cutting the baby hair.
You don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. Think I need a bottle with a genie in it. It's my wish list. I will create a heart changing.
So I have basically installed the wig. I've adhered it with glue and I have cut the lace off. And baby, she looks good. She looks really, really good. I'm going to try to zoom in so you can see the hairline. But that's the hairline. Like she looks like Scout. I don't know if you've ever had any of those sensational wet lace wigs. How they give like a gray cast or they make your lace look ashy. But baby, whoever made this wig, they need to get in touch with Sensational, Outre, all of those other brands, because this is the color that we need. It looks like it's been bleached, and it has not been bleached. I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just do my baby hair. The baby hairs are fairly long, too long for my liking, and they are kind of curly. I was thinking about maybe keeping the sides curly, but then I was like, that's doing too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim these down just a little bit. Just like that. Now that I have them trimmed, well, almost have them trimmed, I'm just going to lay them. And so what I'm going to use is my handy dandy Ghost Bond. This is my favorite. I feel like this works on everybody, and your edges, they don't move. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my baby hair, and I'm going to style them. This part is optional. You can do it however you want to. But for me, I have a preference that I like with my baby hairs. I do like to have like one in the middle, going like this way. So I'm just going to swoop it back like that. Then I have this one here I'm going to swoop. I was debating if they needed to be tweezed or anything, but to be honest, I think they're alright the way they are. And then I'm just gonna Is that extra? That too extra? I don't know. You can do them however you want to, but I think I'm gonna pretty much keep them like that. And I might end up changing them later and end up doing something different. But for now, this is what I'm doing. I don't know, y'all. But this is what I got so far. And so far, everything is looking really good. I'm just going to let the baby hair dry just a little bit. And I'm going to take like a baby wipe or a makeup wipe and clean it up. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how to style it. So I just finished installing it. And she looks good. Like, she looks good. Took me probably roughly about maybe 15-20 minutes to actually install her. And it was worth it. I was a little nervous about the price being, you know, $156. But for the quality of the wig that you get, It's definitely worth it. And I feel like I can wear this, take it off, reinstall it. Definitely get my money's worth. Because box braids are expensive. Like, box braids are expensive. In my area, box braids are probably about $200. And that's just for your standard length. So this is what it looks like. And they are very, very long. I'm going to stand up so you can see exactly how long they are. I am 5'2", so keep in mind I'm 5'2". I'm a little bit short, but this is what they look like. Like, it comes down to the end of my butt. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it looks good. I'm going to turn around so you can see it. I'm hoping that everything in this area looks good. I think it looks good though. And like, right now I just have her to the side, but literally you can put her anywhere you want to. You can change the part up. Like, look at that. Baby, you can't tell me nothing. Nothing. Look at that. That looks good. I am noticing that the baby hairs, they aren't really trying to stick. So you probably are going to have to like blow dry it or use some freeze spray and keep it on there. They are starting to roll up. But you can do it any kind of way you want. You can do middle part. This part over here lays really, really flat. This one doesn't, but I feel like if you put a scarf on, you'll be good to go. I'm not a middle part girl, but if you are, you can. And if you are a left part girl, you can definitely move her to the left side. She's definitely giving scalp. Like, definitely giving scalp. Look at that. So many ways you can style her. You can put her back. You probably can't put her up the way they have her constructed. In the back, it is constructed with tracks. So they're tracks and then they're braided down. And they are sewed together so that it doesn't move and expose those tracks. If you're not a fan of that, then I don't know what to tell you, because every braid wig that I own is definitely like that. But you can also put it up. You can do half up, half down. Yep, she's a look, she's a vibe, she's everything. I'm just gonna, I don't have a rubber band. Let me show you. I'm just gonna take a braid and wrap around and show you how cute she is. And I'm gonna just clip it back here since I don't have a rubber band. I mean, I do, I just don't feel like getting up. I'm lazy. But, look at that. Baby. Look at that. I'm just going to go ahead and end this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up, like button, all of that good stuff. Comment, all of that. I post twice a week. I post every Sunday and Thursday. So hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Until next time.